Hi, I'm Matt Ranaudo, and I'm going to show you how to achieve the pompadour at home. You're going to want to use a spray bottle to dampen your hair, and then take your comb to remove any tangles before you start. You're going to need at least 3 inches on top to achieve this look. And as always, make sure your blades are oiled up. You're going to attach a number 2 guard to your Wahl clipper. And then starting at the bottom of section 1, you're going to work your way up using an upwards rocking motion. Now you're going to attach the 3 guard, and you're going to work up from the bottom of section 2 using an upwards rocking motion again. Moving on to section 3, you're going to attach your number 4 guard. And starting from the bottom of section 3, working your way to the top, you're going to use an upwards rocking motion again. Now you're going to cut section 4. This should be the longest hair that you're going to cut, and you're going to use the clipper over fingers technique. Starting with your bangs, you're going to want to cut them so that they stay a little bit longer than the rest of the hair on top. Once your bangs are cut, they should easily fold back over. Once you finish cutting your bangs, continue to use the clipper over fingers technique, working your way back. Make sure to gradually cut shorter in length as you go. The difference in length from your bangs to the crown of your head should be about 2 inches. Next, you're going to clean up around your ears and your neckline. You're going to use your trimmer, and if you don't have a trimmer, you could just use your clipper. To finish off the look, apply some pomade or some gel to the top of your hair, then blow dry it back to keep it all in place. And that's how you achieve the pompadour at home.